Right class, now we go to the chapter 5, time series analysis. So for this topic, you're going to study about the components of time series, multiplicative time series model, and trend analysis. Okay, so look at introduction. A time series is a set of data observed over a period of time, usually of equal intervals. The intervals taken can be hourly, daily, weekly, monthly or yearly. Okay, so time series ni apa maksud dia? It's a set of data observed over a period of time. Okay, can be hourly, daily, weekly or monthly ataupun yearly. Okay, or any other of time concept. Setiap 1 jam, setiap 1 hari. Okay, contoh awak nak buat observe jualan nasi lemak setiap hari. Okay, setiap hari tu that means dia punya time concept dia. Okay, or you nak buat observe on your CGPA every semester. Okay, semester tu pun time concept dia. Okay, semester 1, semester 2, semester 3. Okay, the purpose of studying time series is to identify the fluctuations. Okay, identify the fluctuations ni apa maksud dia? Okay, kita nak identify ada ups and downs dia. Okay, ada turun naik dia due to seasonal factors. Okay, so that we can remove them in our computation when we plan for the future by making forecasts or predictions. Time series analysis is widely used in business. Okay, is widely used in business. Okay, particularly in budget control, stock holding and investment in stocks and shares. Okay. Biasanya time series ni kita nak observe tentang jualan sebenarnya. Okay, kita nak observe tentang jualan. Okay. Cumanya disebabkan ada beberapa faktor. Okay. And then, so we have 4 components of a time series. Okay, time series can be visualized using graphical. Okay, we call as time series plots. So, the plots will show you the ups and downs depends on the variable over time. Okay, so these 4 components, okay, these 4 components that will affect the ups and downs dia. Apa dia yang bagi kesan pada time series ni? Okay, that means trends, cyclical variations, seasonal variation and irregular variations. Okay, so ini yang akan affect you. Okay, dia ada ups and downs dia. Okay, the first one is trends. Okay, trends will be denoted as T. Okay, it will be denoted as T. Sorry. Denoted by T. Okay, so the trend component of a time series is defined as the long-term general movement. Apa maksud general movement ni? Okay, movement ni secara smoothly or gradually, sikit demi sikit. Okay, where the value of the variable tends to increase or decrease over a long period of time. Okay, basically kita nak check data tu, okay, must be more than 10 years. Okay, must be more than 10 years. Okay, an example of the trend is the steady increase in the cost of living, which is reflected in the consumer price index. Okay, so yang ni example dia. Okay, the steady increase in the cost of living. Okay, kalau kita nak compare cost of living from this year and last year, kita tak nampak perubahan dia. Okay, sebab movement tu berlaku sikit-sikit saja. Okay, but okay, when we compare from this year, okay, and over the past 10 years or 20 years, then you can see the cost of living is increases. Okay, sebab tu kalau kita nak tengok perubahan tu must be more than 10 years. Okay, kalau awak nak tengok perubahan tu this year and last year ataupun last 2 years, still tak nampak perubahan dia. Sebab perubahan tu, dia punya movement tu berlaku sikit-sikit saja. Okay, so kalau nak tengok, must be over the past 10 years ataupun 20 years. Then you can see the difference. Okay, dia punya perubahan dia. Alright, so this is trend. Second is cyclical variations. Okay, denoted by, okay, it will be denoted by C. Okay, cyclical. Okay, what is cyclical variation? It is a component where the movement repeats its pattern over a period of time. Okay, basically more than 1 or 2 years. Okay, kalau kita nak tengok dia punya movement dia tu, okay, pattern yang berulang tu dalam tempoh masa yang lama. Okay, it is more than 1 or 2 years. Okay, dia bukanlah setiap tahun berlaku. Okay, so the most common example of cyclical variation is the business cycle, which is usually caused by the policies of the company, the host country and consumer states. Okay, kalau tengok pada contoh kat sini, if the government reduce tax of imported cars, the price of imported cars will drop and the demand will increase. On the other hand, if the government increase tax, the price of these imported cars will go up and the demand will drop. Okay, so maksudnya kat sini kalau kerajaan tu turunkan harga tax, okay, harga tax untuk imported cars punya, so harga kereta tu akan berkurang, akan turun. Okay, and then demand akan meningkat. Okay, orang yang nak beli tu mestilah meningkat lah. Okay, sebabkan harga kereta tu menurun, mesti ramai orang yang nak beli. Okay, if government increase tax, okay, kalau harga tax tu meningkat, okay, so harga kereta tu pun mesti meningkat juga. So the demand will drop. Okay, orang tak mampu nak beli. Okay, and then last example, economic recession, okay, is another example of cyclical variations. Okay, the intervals between the ups and downs usually take more than a year. Okay, economic recession ni adalah kegawatan ekonomi. Okay, dia berulang kali berlaku, but not every year happens. Okay, bukannya setiap tahun ada kegawatan ekonomi ni. Okay, maybe every 7 to 9 years berlaku economic recession ni. Okay, so this is cyclical variations. Okay, next is seasonal variation. Okay, seasonal variations involve patterns of change which are repeated from year to year. Okay, seasonal variations can be defined as the short term with like pattern repeated at a certain period or season. So dia repeated from year to year. Maksudnya within 1 or 2 years. Setiap tahun boleh berlaku. Okay, usually they are caused by weather and holidays that occur during the course of year. Okay, look at example. Okay, the demand for umbrella and raincoats will increase every rainy season. Maksudnya kalau setiap musim hujan berlaku, okay, jualan payung ataupun baju hujan mesti meningkat. Okay, another example is the increase in sales of school uniforms, shoes and school bags just before school reopens, particularly after the year-end holiday. Ini pun setiap tahun berlaku. Okay, bila dah hujung tahun, nak masuk tahun baru, bila sekolah nak buka, okay, jualan baju sekolah, kasut sekolah, beg sekolah mesti akan meningkat. Okay, kalau bulan biasa, jualan biasa je. Tapi bila sekolah nak buka hujung tahun, okay, masuk tahun baru, sekolah nak buka, then demand dia tinggi. Okay, jualan tu meningkat. Okay, ataupun sekarang ni cuaca panas. Okay, musim panas sekarang ni, apa yang demand tinggi? Jualan aircon. Kat situ jualan aircon will increase. Okay, sebabkan cuaca panas. Alright, so the seasonal variations ni denoted by S, symbol S. Okay, so this is seasonal variation. Okay, dia berlaku setiap tahun lah. Alright, and then last one, irregular variations. Okay, irregular variations denoted by with symbol I. Okay, irregular variations or random variation. Okay, what is irregular variation? It describes the movement of a variable which is completely unpredictable. Okay, unpredictable. Okay, contoh sekarang ni COVID-19, it is unpredictable, right? Okay, nobody expect this happen. Okay, tiba-tiba number of tourists berkurang because of COVID-19. Okay, tiba-tiba jualan restoran berkurang because of COVID-19. Kita tak boleh nak keluar rumah. Okay. And then, okay, for instance, when the earthquake and tsunami hit Aceh, Indonesia, okay, tahun 2004, the occupancy rate in most hotels near beaches was affected. Ni pun boleh berlaku. This is unpredictable. Okay, tourist ke Aceh jadi berkurang because of tsunami. Okay, and then the twins tragedies, flight MH370, MH17, okay, have reduced the bookings and sales of mass air tickets. Okay, ni pun unpredictable. Okay, benda tu boleh berlaku secara tiba-tiba. Kita tak boleh nak predict benda tu. Okay, so this is 4 components, okay, that will affect the ups and downs. Okay, jualan kita. Okay, the sales dia. Alright. So, kalau based on graph, trends ni would be like this one. Okay, kalau trends dia berlaku secara sikit demi sikit. Okay, ni trends. Okay, saya nak tunjuk dia punya jenis graph dia. Okay, so dia berlaku sikit demi sikit. Okay, dia berlaku sikit demi sikit. Tapi, bila awak compare from the first year, okay, yang ni time from the first year and then the past 10 years, misal kata. Okay, baru awak akan nampak dia sebenarnya increase. Okay, either increase or decrease. Okay, boleh jadi increase, boleh jadi decrease. Okay, and then cyclical. Cyclical macam mana graph dia? Okay, cyclical. Okay, this is time. Time dia. Okay, it is repeated long period. Okay, cyclical ni repeated long period. Okay, dia ada ups and down dia. Dia ada ups and down dia. Okay. Okay, biasanya dia berlaku secara more than 10 years. Okay, more than 10 years. It's a long period. Okay, sorry, this is 20. Let's see. Okay, ada ups and downs dia. Ini secara, ni graph cyclical lah. Okay, we can see the difference over 10 years. Okay, and the third one is seasonal. Seasonal macam mana graph dia? Okay, it happens every year. Okay, repeated short period. Okay, short period. So, dia punya graph dia akan macam ni. Okay, ada ups and downs dia. Ni ups and downs dia lah kiranya. Okay, dia berlaku setiap tahun. Okay, this is time dia lah. Okay, this is seasonal. Okay, seasonal variation. Okay, and the last one is irregular variation. Irregular variation, it is unpredictable. Okay, kita tak boleh nak jangka. So, dia punya graph dia will be like this one. Dia unpredictable. Okay, kita tak boleh nak jangka benda tu. Okay, so this is irregular variation. Okay, you faham nah?